In this video today I'm gonna show you how to fix or how to adjust your ringtone volume on your iPhone. We usually get this problem on iPhone 10, 11 or iPhone 12. Whatever iPhone model we have, we can get this problem. Let me clear you all. If we get call that time, ringtone volume automatically goes down. So this is not a problem actually, this is a feature like new iPhone feature. So let's have a look how to fix this problem. Now I will show you how ringtone volume goes down on my phone. Just let me call on my phone. Here you can see my phone is ringing and it's loud, but if I hold in front of my face, then ringtone volume will decrease. See, my ringtone volume is low right now. So let's have a look, and it's very simple how to fix this. And actually this is not a problem, this is a feature, so it's very easy to fix. First you just need to go to settings, and after that here you can see face ID and passcode. After tapping here, then here I can see this feature, attention hour feature. So you just need to turn off this, and now try it again. Okay, I'm calling on my phone again. So my phone is ringing again, and here if I hold my phone in front of my face, see, ringtone volume is not decreasing. And that's it, and it's a very simple way to fix or adjust your ringtone volume. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and I will help you with another solution based video. Until then, stay healthy.